Dear children, last day I taught you economics, lesson 3rd, money and credit. In this lesson, first also taught you syllabus key topic and overview. Now, money as medium of exchange. Look at the page number 490. Money as medium of exchange. Let us take case of tailor. Case of a tailor. He wants to exchange some pairs of suits stitched by him for 4 grains. The tailor will first sell suit for money, and with the money he can purchase 4 grains. Imagine of the centuries ago life without money. आपको ये बताया था कि पहले हम लोगों के पास पैसा धन नहीं होता था। ये हम वस्तुओं के माध्यम से लेन देन करते थे, तो उसी के बारे में बता रहे हैं। विदाउट मनी एट दैट टाइम गुड्स वर एक्सचेंज फॉर गुड्स, मतलब माल वस्तु के बदले वस्तुओं का लेन देन करते थे। इन अ विलेज कम्युनिटी इन गुड ओल्ड एज अ टेलर would stitch pairs of cloth in return for 4 grains for the farmers. A farm worker would get grains as a reward for his labor, and so on. This system of exchange was known as barter system. जो वस्तुओं के बदले वस्तुओं का ली या दी जाती थी, या वस्तुओं का आदान प्रदान, एक वस्तु के बदले दूसरी वस्तु का लेना देना या आदान प्रदान करना एक्सचेंज कहलाता था, बार्टर सिस्टम कहलाता था। बट विद द मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ वांट्स एंड ग्रेटर नीड फॉर एक्सचेंज, द बार्टर सिस्टम अ सिस्टम वेयर गुड्स वर एक्सचेंज फॉर गुड्स was found to be an insufficient system of exchange. It was then that man invented money, a thing that was commonly accepted as a medium of exchange. Initially, metal coins of gold and silver were introduced. Their intrinsic value was equal to the exchange value. Subsequently, alloy metal came to be used for coinage. Besides the introduction of paper money, and now is the age of plastic money in the form of debit card and credit card. In this way, money finds to its origin in the needed to facilitate exchange. Hence, it came to be defined as a thing that is commonly accepted as medium of exchange. Drawback of the barter system. Following are the principal drawbacks of barter system of exchange that resulted in its being replaced by money. First, difficulty of double coincidence of wants. Coincidence of wants. क्या लिखते हैं? Difficulty of double coincidence of wants. Double coincidence of wants is a period recruitment of the barter system of exchange. It implies that the goods in possession of two different individuals must be useful and needed by each other. However, it is a rare occurrence. Indeed, Indeed, it is difficult to find a person who wants your bike and at the same time possess a cow that you want to buy. As such, under the barter system, exchange remains extremely limited. Second, lack of a common unit of value. If you are asked what is the value of your cow, the car, a can reply 5 lakhs कार के लिए काऊ है 5,000 10,000 तक कर सकती है. But you can not give a same answer in a barter system of exchange. Under such a system, your car would have to be valued in terms of some horse, carts, or a herd of sheep, as there is no common unit of value. Third, a lack of system of part payments. These days, you hire a carpenter and strike a contract to pay him, say per day, say rupees 400 a day. What would you have done in a barter system? What you have decided to pay him in terms of load of wheat or a pair of chairs, drugs or a pair of trousers or a t-shirt. Contractual payments or future payments would certainly be very difficult under barter system of exchange. Now, lack of system of storage of value or storage of purchasing power. Store of wealth in terms of goods or commodities is subject to some problem such as high cost of storage, fear of goods getting purchased and their value falling down. Thus, storing goods as a means of saving is very difficult. Now, modern form of money. Money is something that can act as a medium of exchange in transaction. Modern form of money is currency, paper notes and coins. Before the introduction of coins, a variety of subjects were used as money. In the early age, grains and cattle were used as money. Subsequently, the use of metallic coins of gold, silver, copper, etc. started. Now, currency. Currency, it is generally accepted from the money. It includes coins and paper notes. It is issued by the government and circulate within an economy. Modern currency is not made of precious metals such as gold, silver, copper, nor is it anything of daily use like grain and cattle. The modern currency has no intrinsic value or use of its own except as a medium of exchange. In India, the Reserve Bank of India issues currency note on behalf of Government of India as per law. No other individual or organization is allowed to issue currencies. On the currency note, you can see statement making promise to paying a particular amount to the bearer of the currency note. No individual in India can legally refuse a payment made in rupees, hence the rupee is widely accepted as a medium of exchange. Now, deposit with banks Next day, go to the banks and check facility and other introduction. Next day.